Hey, what is up my friends? Welcome back. So today we're going to be unboxing and playing a bit around with the Durgod K620w Corona. Now, let's take a look at the box. For full transparency, Durgod sent me this keyboard for review. Now, they didn't pay me anything to say anything good about it, so we're just going to be very honest. And let's unbox it with my new little Viking looking knife. Mjolnir. So let's cut the seal. Thank you for choosing Durgod wireless mechanical keyboard. Nice packaging. Now these have the silver switches, and I love these kind of keyboards. They come with this little foamy stuff inside, so the keyboard is well protected. Whoops. The keyboard, and it's got a little cover over it, so it's protected. There. We have the keyboard. Now let's see what's more in the box, and then let's check out the keyboard. We have our Durgod book, quick start guide. Well, we have our little cable band, a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have a little dongle thingy. We have the keycap removers. And also the switch removers. Okay, so let's take a look at the keyboard. It's very retro looking. We have our power on and off button, and as you can see it has backlight. We have a USB-C charging port. I had to add it there a little because I had to sneeze. We have the rubber feet at the back, so the keyboard doesn't scratch or slide. There's two different heights. You can adjust it to actually 3, because you can also do it flat. And there is a little hidden compartment which holds the very tiny USB-A dongle. There she blows, with the Durgod logo. Now this model is the 65% keyboard model. So you do have these, and you have the F1 to F12 buttons. And this is kind of the keyboard layout I like. You can also switch modes to, you have to press the FM button to use the dongle, or you can use one of the Bluetooth modes. Let's do a sound test on how this keyboard sounds, because these silver switches absolutely sound fantastic. It's very satisfying. It's a very high quality keyboard. Thank you Durgod for sending me this keyboard. If you wish to purchase one, the links are in the description, and make sure to visit Durgod, their website. I am personally a very big fan of this keyboard, and the typing and gaming experience on it is amazing. Key travel feels better than any keyboard I have ever used before, and you can feel that it is made out of quality materials. I personally do not really like the way it looks, but then again I do not like retro looking things. But the usage experience is just so good that I keep going back to it. Without a joke, I will be using this as my main keyboard from now on. I honestly never expected I could be this hyped about a keyboard. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you around.